Many businesses start with spreadsheets for tracking time, but as teams grow, these simple tools can become a source of frustration. Manual data entry, version confusion, and limited reporting make it hard to stay organized. If you're feeling overwhelmed by endless rows and columns, you're not alone. This video will guide you through a smooth transition from spreadsheets to dedicated time tracking software, helping you avoid chaos and keep your team productive. Let's begin by understanding why making the switch is so important for your business's efficiency and growth. Switching from spreadsheets to time tracking software isn't just about using a new tool. It's about unlocking better accuracy, real-time insights, and streamlined processes. Spreadsheets can't provide automatic reminders, mobile access, or detailed analytics. Modern time tracking software, on the other hand, empowers your team to log hours effortlessly and managers to spot trends instantly. This upgrade can save hours of manual work each week and reduce costly errors. Let's explore how to prepare your team for this important change. Before you migrate, take a close look at your current processes. What features do you rely on in your spreadsheets? Do you need project-based tracking, approval workflows, or integration with Payroll? List your must-haves and nice-to-haves. This assessment will help you choose the right software and ensure nothing important gets left behind. Involving key team members in this step can also surface hidden requirements and build early buy-in for the transition. With your requirements in hand, research time tracking software options that fit your business. Look for solutions that offer intuitive interfaces, robust reporting, and easy integration with your existing systems. Consider factors like pricing, customer support, and scalability. Reading reviews and requesting demos can help you make an informed decision. Remember, the right tool should make life easier for both employees and managers. A successful migration starts with a clear plan. Set a realistic timeline for the transition, including key milestones like data export, software setup, and team training. Assign responsibilities to specific team members to ensure accountability. Communicate the plan to everyone involved so there are no surprises. Planning ahead minimizes disruptions and sets the stage for a smooth rollout. Before making any changes, back up all your existing spreadsheet data. Save copies in multiple locations, such as cloud, storage, and external drives. This precaution ensures that you can recover important information if anything goes wrong during the migration. It's a simple step, but it can save you from major headaches down the road. Take this opportunity to clean up your spreadsheet data. Remove duplicates, correct errors, and standardize formats. Clean data will make the import process smoother and help your new software deliver accurate reports. It's worth investing a little extra time now to avoid confusion later. Next, map your spreadsheet columns to the fields in your new time tracking software. For example, match employee names, project codes, and hours worked to their corresponding fields. This step ensures that all your important information transfers correctly and nothing gets lost in translation. Before importing all your data, run a test with a small sample. This allows you to catch any formatting issues or mismatches early. Review the results in the new software to ensure everything appears as expected. If you spot any problems, adjust your mapping and try again until the data imports smoothly. Once your test import is successful, proceed to import the rest of your data. Follow the software's instructions carefully and monitor the process for any errors. After the import, double-check that all records are present and accurate. This step lays the foundation for reliable time tracking going forward. Now it's time to configure your new time tracking software. Set up user accounts, permissions, and notification preferences. Customize project codes, approval workflows, and reporting templates to match your business needs. Taking the time to configure settings now will help your team hit the ground running. If your business uses payroll, project management, or invoicing software, integrate your new time tracking system with these tools. Many platforms offer built-in integrations or APIs to automate data flow. This reduces manual entry and ensures consistency across your business systems. A smooth transition depends on your team's confidence with the new software. Organize training sessions to walk everyone through the basics: how to log time, submit approvals, and generate reports. Provide written guides or video tutorials for reference. Encourage questions and offer ongoing support as your team adapts. Clear communication is key to a successful migration. Announce the change well in advance and explain the reasons behind it. Highlight the benefits, such as easier time entry and better reporting. Address any concerns and keep everyone updated on the migration timeline. Open communication helps reduce resistance and builds excitement for the new system. Choose a go-live date for your new time tracking software. Pick a time when your team can focus on the transition, such as the start of a pay period or after a major project wraps up. Give everyone plenty of notice and remind them as the date approaches. A clear launch date helps everyone prepare and reduces confusion. For extra peace of mind, consider running your spreadsheets and new software in parallel for a short period. This allows you to compare results and catch any discrepancies before fully switching over. Once you're confident in the new system's accuracy, you can retire your old spreadsheets. After going live, closely monitor how your team uses the new software. Watch for common mistakes, such as missed entries or incorrect project codes. Provide quick feedback and additional training if needed. Early monitoring helps you address issues before they become habits. Invite your team to share their experiences with the new system. Ask what's working well and where they're facing challenges. Use this feedback to make adjustments and improve the rollout. Listening to your team builds trust and helps you create a system that truly works for everyone. Based on feedback and early results, fine-tune your time tracking processes. Adjust approval workflows, reporting formats, or notification settings as needed. Continuous improvement ensures your new system stays aligned with your business needs and keeps your team happy. Once your team is comfortable with the new software, take a moment to celebrate the successful transition. Recognize everyone's efforts and highlight the benefits you've already seen, such as time saved and fewer errors. Celebrating milestones keeps morale high and reinforces positive change. After the transition, archive your old spreadsheets for reference. Store them securely in case you need to review historical data. Make sure access is limited to authorized personnel to protect sensitive information. Proper archiving keeps your records organized and secure. Review the security settings in your new time tracking software. Ensure that sensitive data is protected with strong passwords, user permissions, and encryption. Regularly update your security protocols to keep your information safe from unauthorized access. Protect your new data by setting up regular backups. Most time tracking software offers automated backup options. Schedule backups to run daily or weekly, and periodically test your restore process. This ensures you can recover quickly if data is ever lost or corrupted. Make sure your team knows where to go for help. Set up clear support channels, such as a dedicated email address, chat group, or help desk. Quick access to support reduces frustration and helps your team resolve issues promptly. Document your new time tracking processes in detail. Include step-by-step instructions for common tasks, troubleshooting tips, and contact information for support. Well-documented processes make onboarding new team members easier and ensure consistency across your organization. Encourage your team to fully adopt the new software by highlighting its benefits and making it part of daily routines. Recognize early adopters and share success stories. The more your team uses the system, the more value you'll get from it. Use your new software's reporting features to track key metrics, such as billable hours, project progress, and overtime. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps you spot trends, optimize workflows, and make informed business decisions. Schedule regular reviews of your time tracking processes. Meet with your team to discuss what's working and what could be improved. Continuous feedback ensures your system evolves with your business and remains effective. Update your company policies to reflect the new time tracking procedures. Clearly outline expectations for time entry, approvals, and reporting. Communicate these changes to all employees to ensure everyone is on the same page. Some team members may be hesitant to change. Address resistance by listening to concerns, providing extra support, and demonstrating the benefits of the new system. Patience and empathy go a long way in helping everyone adjust. Set up user permissions in your time tracking software to control who can view, edit, or approve time entries. Proper permissions protect sensitive data and ensure that only authorized personnel can make changes. Take advantage of automated reminders in your new software. Set up notifications for time entry, deadlines, approval requests, and missed entries. Automation helps keep everyone on track and reduces the need for manual follow-ups. Modern time tracking software often includes mobile apps, allowing your team to log hours from anywhere. This flexibility is especially valuable for remote workers or employees on the go. Mobile access ensures accurate, timely entries and boosts overall productivity. Leverage your software's reporting tools to create custom reports that fit your business needs. Filter by project, department, or employee to gain deeper insights. Custom reports help you make data-driven decisions and demonstrate value to stakeholders. Make sure your new time tracking processes comply with labor laws and company policies. Set up rules for overtime, breaks, and approvals as required. Compliance protects your business and ensures fair treatment for all employees. As your business grows, your time tracking needs may change. Regularly review your software's features and upgrade as needed. Look for scalable solutions that can handle more users, projects, and integrations without slowing down. Time tracking software promotes transparency by making hours and project progress visible to everyone. Encourage open communication about workloads and deadlines. Transparency builds trust and helps teams collaborate more effectively. One of the biggest advantages of time tracking software is automation. From reminders to reporting, automation reduces manual work and frees up your team to focus on higher value tasks. Embrace automation to maximize efficiency and minimize errors. If your business has remote or distributed teams, time tracking software is essential. It provides a centralized platform for logging hours, tracking projects, and managing approvals, no matter where your employees are located. This support keeps everyone connected and accountable. Change can be challenging, but with the right approach, your team can adapt quickly. Stay flexible, listen to feedback, and be ready to make adjustments as needed. A positive attitude and willingness to learn will help everyone embrace the new system. Mistakes are a natural part of any transition. When issues arise, treat them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, share lessons learned, and update your processes to prevent similar problems in the future. Continuous learning leads to continuous improvement. As you reach key milestones in your migration journey, take time to celebrate, whether it's completing the import, achieving 100% adoption, or generating your first report. Recognizing progress keeps your team motivated and engaged. Share stories of how the new time tracking software has improved your business. Highlight time saved, increased accuracy, or happier employees. Success stories inspire others to embrace change and reinforce the value of your efforts. Your migration is complete, but the journey doesn't end here. Keep looking for ways to optimize your time tracking processes as your business evolves. Stay informed about new features and best practices to ensure you're always getting the most from your software. Migrating from spreadsheets to time tracking software doesn't have to be chaotic. With careful planning, clear communication, and ongoing support, you can make the switch smoothly and unlock new levels of efficiency for your team. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a more organized, productive, and successful business.